Google Pixel might soon become your first line of defense against scam messages, not just in your texts, but everywhere. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. A recent APK teardown of the latest Android system intelligence update hints at a game-changing upgrade. Spam and scam detection expanding beyond Google's phone and messages apps. That means apps like WhatsApp, Signal, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger could soon benefit from Pixel's native security features. According to the report, the latest software found on the Pixel 10 lineup contains a hidden setting that suggests this broader scam detection system is already in the works. This setting appears to list multiple messaging platforms, including some surprising entries like X and even the long-gone Google Hangouts, which raises questions about how the current internal build actually is. Still, the potential is massive. If it works well, this feature could use Pixel's device intelligence to flag suspicious messages in real time across third-party apps. That's a huge win for privacy and security, especially as scammers get more sophisticated and move beyond traditional SMS. However, as with all APK teardowns, nothing is certain. Features found in early code don't always launch, and if they do, they may look very different by the time they go public. It's also unclear whether this will be exclusive to Pixel 10 or extend to older Pixel models like the Pixel 9, or even roll out to non-Pixel Android devices. Still, the message is clear. Your Pixel might soon be smarter than your spammer. Are you waiting for this update? Comment down your thoughts and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.